my helmet on my head. Figure out what that's.
Playing a very, very fun game. Yeah, you know. I got PC version. And it's about to start. Playing a game called Dragons. I'll give you the server IP in the description. Oh, this game's hard. Whoa, lag, lag, lag. See how long I can survive. Basically, what Dragons is, it is where you are on a mini island and ship and dragons attack. Ender dragons attack, and you have to stay on as long as you can. My best record on here is coming in 3rd place. Uh-oh. I fell so hard, I died. Let's spectate people. These guys are gonna die. I'm so laggy. Mac is like the worst thing to play Dragons on. I mean, play Minecraft on. But it's worth it. Got the screen pretty good. Y'all can read everything, right? Yeah, not too blurry, not too shallow. I'm gonna kill the Ender Dragon. Yeah, I'll be right back with another round. How about we join the same one we did? I would like... Oh wait, I already have. Never mind. I'm going to be doing some more of this. Please tell me if you want me to do more. Uh-oh, it's about to start. Oh, same map. The funnest map, I'd say, is the one that you're on a pirate ship. This is not a good place to stay, I guess. Uh-oh, they're coming. Hide. Holy cow. Oh, I'm still alive. About to say I was trapped for a second. Oh, that poor guy. Faker, this is scary. Let's see if we can get in 1st place, or at least in the best scoreboard. Oh, snap. Oh. Dang, there's like 5 of them. This mini game is awesome. Oh, snap, still alive. Boom. Stuck, but still alive. It's raining blocks. Oh my gosh, look how many there are. Oh, there's still 8 people alive. Oh, I see a guy over there. I don't see... Oh, I see that guy on that roof. Dang, he's still alive. Oh, he just died. Oh, snap. How are they not going for me? Where is everybody? Oh, I see that guy. Oh. Oh, hey, bro. What's up? Whoa, you see that? That's pretty cool. Oh, guys, we died. We died. That was pretty cool, though. That was pretty epic. We died. I think we could have came in third. I think we came in third. Oh, no. Look at this. Look at... Oh, they just died. Oh, look at this. Oh, wait, no. One's still alive. We didn't get in third. We came about 6th or 7th or 5th. What the heck? How is he? I spin my compass back and forth. I spin my compass back and forth. I spin my compass. I'm gonna go teleport. That's that guy over there. What? How are these guys still surviving? Oh, one guy just died. Oh, you see that, guys? What the heck? My mind kept back. I drive my... Okay, guys, that was pretty epic. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's go for another round. This will be the last round, guys. These guys have done well on the server. I'm gonna do a Skies Minecraft server. I join his server all the time. I don't know why I haven't done a video already. PC version is epic. Oh, there's totally epic, guys. Oh yes, this is the map. That's it. This map is really awesome. Does it say pony power? Penial power? Whoa, super dark in here. Whoa, what's that noise? Oh, snap. Freaker, lag. Whoa, there's like a massive hole. Oh. Okay, now look. Oh. No. Why did I try to swim? Oh. Okay, guys. I guess that's it. Yeah, okay, guys. I guess that's it. We're doing some more videos on PC later. So, yeah. Yeah. Bye.